The fuck you do with your money?
Excuse me, I do this crazy shit. I spend it.
I'm head back, and that's the point. Damn, I straight out of dream, straight out of dream. I'm head back, and that's the point. Spend everything on everything. I'm head back, and that's the point. You said I don't never listen. This whole ain't got no voice. Just boy can't see the difference. That money is changing.
So right now, I'm just going to go through my channels and the studios and check and see how they're doing, check and see how the videos that we posted yesterday are doing, and then I also have to go into my Claude and see what topics it brought me today. So I basically have trained my Claude to bring me viral YouTube topics every day, and that's the topics that I use for my channels. And ever since I started doing that, the channels have been a whole lot easier to run, but also have been getting a lot more views and making a lot more money. So after I go through this, I have to check in with a few clients as well, and then we're gonna go to the gym, and then we're gonna go to my old apartment complex and go in the hot tub and the sauna, and after that, somebody's making very weird hand motions behind the camera, and I'm gonna take you guys with me all day.
My wife makes you food.
$100 per month, waiting for your reply. But he's from India. I said, I promised myself no more Indians.
Comment partner class. David said that the other day. He was like, I was trying to explain to my gaming friends what your boyfriend does for a living. And he goes, yeah, so partner with me and then comment class.
Alright, so here's how the channels are looking for today. We have this one that got 1.5 million views in the last 28 days and $4,800, and then in the last 48 hours it's at 45,000 views. Then if we go to this one, it's a bit of a newer channel, so it's only at 500,000 views and $1,300, but it has 47,000 views in the last 48 hours, so that's pretty good. And then we can go over to this one. This channel is brand new, about a month and a half old, and it already made $4,900, and we haven't even posted any videos this entire month. We've only posted videos prior to this month, and those videos are just carrying us through this month. But the views are slowing down a little bit in the last 48 hours, so it's time to post another video, as you can see from that graph. So we'll be posting another video on this one soon. Then we have this one, doing pretty solid. This one has kind of just been solid for the last like year or two, $4,400 in the last 28 days. And then this one, also same thing, really solid for the last year or two, $5,000 in the last 28 days. 36K in the last 48 hours. So now I'm just going to open up the Discord server, and I'm going to start getting back to some of the clients that have been asking me questions, and then get back to my one-on-one partners that have been texting me about some YouTube strategies this morning. I'm eating eggs and English muffin. I'm on a very strict diet right now. I just hired a fitness coach to obviously help me with my body, but it's really just like for mental clarity and to feel better mentally, be able to perform better at work.
I made it back, and that's the point. You said I don't never listen. This hoes ain't got no voice. Just boy can't see the difference. That money and money will change me. That money and money will change me. That money and money will change me.
We're gonna go to the gym and get a workout in right now. I'll try to get some clips in the gym, but I don't want to be the weirdo that's recording in the gym and everybody's staring at me, so we'll try to get some clips in there, but not too much.
Okay. Also, I kind of want to go get a fun drink after, can we?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll go get some, like, I don't know, what is it, like juice?
Yeah.
Some like energy juice.
Yeah, some energy drinks. What's the next car buy? What are we laying?
I'm buying a Trackhawk next.
Adding it to the vision board.
Yeah, I've owned so many cars, right? I've owned a Mustang, a G80 M3. We're gonna get copyrighted. Mustang, G80 M3, a ZL1 Camaro, G82 M4, and a Trackhawk. And the one that I miss the most by far is the Trackhawk. Like, it's just the best. It's the best car you could buy. I don't get impressed by like supercars, or they're fun and everything, but they're just like too smooth, like too refined. It's not enough fun. And the Trackhawk is like, it's big, it's an SUV, you can fit anything you want in it. You don't have to worry about it bottoming out and like scraping the concrete and stuff. It goes really fast and it's fun. It's not like too refined. It's like a hooligan car. And that's what I like. I like the hooligan cars.
Okay, sounds good.
So I'm buying a Trackhawk.
Okay.
Like, this month.
This month. Okay, and what's happening next month?
Next month we move to Arizona.
Okay. You excited?
Yeah, I'm excited to move and get out of the place that I'm currently in. We're moving into it's a very nice neighborhood right outside of Phoenix, Arizona. It's 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and it's a very nice house. It's in they have a basketball court in the little community or whatever. Pickleball courts, dog parks.
I'm excited to go play pickleball, honestly.
Yeah, it'll be nice to have like while you're at school.
Yeah.
And I just want to take a break. I can go play basketball, just like shoot around.
Yeah.
Basketball court.
Or just go take a dip in the pool.
Yeah.
I mean, we all know it gets really hot in Arizona, so I might get a little bit of FOMO if you send me a picture of you in the pool in the middle of the day and I'm fighting demons at school.
I got angels on my back. I got demons in my bank account. Hey, we picky. She say I'm many. She think she a fake. Just know I'm at. It's like creeping to get you right. Hey, living that shit for sure. But off the list for sure. Taught me something new. I tip my hand. Yeah. Hey, she get geeked up, so she get me. I brought designer drugs. Now I kinda see.
Alright, we just left the gym and then went to Sprouts to get some food to eat for lunch. And now we're going to eat this food, and then we're gonna go to my old apartment and go in the hot tub and stuff. I'm drinking high brew coffee nitro. I have to drink black coffee because my fitness coach said I can only drink black coffee and diet soda outside of water. And I don't really like black coffee that much. Salmon, green beans, sweet potatoes, potatoes.
Nice. Gains.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
These green beans are so good.
We had a little change of outfit.
We're going to an apartment complex to go in the hot tub. That's what I'm excited about. And then we're probably just gonna chill by the pool. I might lay in the hammock, just get some sun, and then I want to go in the sauna too for a little while. And then after that, I need to just get some work done, check on the channels and everything, and make sure all of my clients are on track to make a bunch of money. All right, this is one of the best parts about working for yourself and doing YouTube full time. It's just a random Friday, and we decided to come out here in the middle of the day and just relax by the pool, get in the hot tub, go in the sauna for a little while. So that's probably my favorite part about this. You know, the cars are cool and all of that, but the freedom is the best part. Just being able to do what you want when you want. So we're gonna go get in the hot tub now, and I'll check in with y'all in a minute.
I'm head back, and that's the point. Damn, I can't out of dream. Straight out of dream. I'm head back, and that's the point. Spend everything on everything. I made it back, and that's the point. You said I don't never listen. This hoes ain't got no voice. Just boy can't see the difference. That money and money it changed. I think I might run up on Drea. I told her I wanted to.
Alright, so we just made it back home, and yeah, we messed around all day and sat by the pool and stuff, but now it's time to get back to work. So gonna chug this black coffee and get back locked in on this stuff that I need to do. You know, we got to get these views, we got to make this money. So let's do a little bit of check-in on a couple of these channels. Cannot show you that, so give me a second. This one needs some work for sure, but like I said, 4,900 for the last 28 days, not too bad. That one that I just showed you was also 4,900. That's kind of where this niche that I like to run in, that's kind of where they stabilize out at. Normally at 4,900. So yeah, things are looking pretty good. This one's a pretty new channel. Things are looking good, but I just got to lock back in for a little while, and I'll see you guys in a minute after I get some work done here. Gotta, you know, we can go mess around all day. We can say like it's nice to be by the pool on a random Friday afternoon, but you also got to pay for that lifestyle. You also got to work, and having the freedom's nice, but you got to make sure you keep working to maintain that freedom. But I did just want to talk to you guys about something, and I would like to keep doing more videos like this. So let me know in the comments if you enjoy videos like this. Maybe I'll start an entire channel dedicated to just vlogging stuff. But I just wanted to talk to you guys about something. So if you've been following my journey on this channel, and if you haven't, go check out the past videos, but if you've been following my journey at all, you know that I've been through some very dark times in the last like year or so, and I've turned it around very, very quickly, right? And I just want you to understand that like the reason why I'm able to do that is simply my belief system and the beliefs that I have. I know it sounds woo-woo, I know I sound like a crystal girl, but it's the truth, okay? You have to retrain your beliefs to be beliefs that are actually going to serve you, because your beliefs control your actions and your actions control your results. And your belief, every single belief that you have in your brain, is taught or learned. Therefore, they are optional. You're not born with these things. You're not stuck with these things. It's not like a race or a hair color or something like that. You can choose them, and you can choose to cut off certain beliefs as well. And you need to cut off those beliefs that are limiting you. You can choose to believe whatever you want. There's people out there that genuinely believe that the earth is round, and there's people out there that genuinely believe that no matter how down bad they are, they can make it back from YouTube or from any business model online. And I'm one of those people, and it served me time and time again. I was in a really dark spot, you know, and I'm not saying that I'm completely out of it. I'm not saying I'm out of the woods or anything like that. Definitely not. But I'm in a way better spot than I was back then in terms of like my stress, like the business stress, financial stress. And I turned it around really quickly, and I got it really quickly back to a point where like I'm proud of everything going on. Like for a long time, I was like not getting the best results inside of my coaching business because I was so stressed. And then I ended up actually shutting down acquisition altogether on that business because I didn't feel like I was in a place to even mentor anybody. And now I'm in a place where like I feel like I have the ability to mentor better than I ever have before, and the client results that I'm getting are better than they've ever been before. And all of this is just because it comes back to the belief thing, right? I believe that I'm capable of doing this whenever I feel like doing it. And you have to also believe that literally anything is possible. Like guys, you can do anything that you want. And once you like just try it. Just suspend your disbelief for 6 months. Just try it. And I promise you, whenever that first thing confirms that you're correct, that you can actually achieve whatever you want, when that first thing happens to confirm it, everything opens up. The entire world opens up. And you start to believe anything can be mine. I can have everything. Like genuinely, when I see a yacht, right? We're out at my old apartment complex. We're overlooking the entire city of Tampa. You can see these yachts going down the river. And when I see those yachts, I'm not jealous. I'm not mad, I'm not angry, I'm not sad that I'll never have that. I don't even say maybe one day or must be nice. Like I think I'm going to have that. If I want that, I'm going to have it. I'm going to have everything that I want. I don't have to pick and choose. I don't need balance or any of that other nonsense. I need to have everything that I want out of life. I need to experience everything that I want because it's a short life. It's a short trip. Okay? You're not supposed to spend this trip working in a cubicle and never achieving any of your dreams. You're supposed to unlearn that belief and relearn a belief that's actually going to serve you, such as I can and will have anything that I want in this life. And that's genuinely what I believe. And anybody who challenges that, even if they don't do it on purpose, even if they do it subconsciously, if they challenge that belief, they are cut out of my life. I will not tolerate being around people who don't also believe that I can do whatever I want to do in life. I don't care if you have limiting beliefs of your own and you think that you can't do it, that's fine. Stay over there. That's cool. Don't believe it. But if you try to come at me and say that I can't do it, you're cut off. And you guys have to be the same way. You know, and if it's a parent or a loved one, you don't have to cut them off. But you need to not talk to them about this stuff. They need to not be able to get inside of your brain and try to implant those beliefs inside of you that's limiting them, by the way. I guarantee you they don't live the life that you want. You wouldn't copy and paste their life. Their life is not your dream life, right? So get those people out of your life and understand that you genuinely can do literally anything that you want to do. Okay, YouTube is my vehicle. YouTube is obviously I'm a little biased because that's what I make all my money off of. But I believe faceless YouTube and YouTube in general is the best business model in 2026 and beyond. So if you guys would like to learn how to make money from YouTube or make more money from YouTube, then sign up for the free live class this Thursday. I'm teaching you all the methods that I have on using AI and YouTube to make money from the platform. This AI stuff is literally crazy. And it makes it so much easier, more efficient, cheaper to start, all of that. So come to the free live class this Thursday. I'm going to teach you how to achieve all those dreams that you have. And I really put my all into that presentation, you know. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Sign up for the free live class. It's in the pinned comment. Hopefully you enjoyed the video though. And if you did enjoy, let me know, because I will make more videos like this if you enjoyed it, or maybe even start an entire channel that's like this. So let me know if you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, all that stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.